Hey guys, welcome to the after party.
That thing goes in, yeah.
Does that never end? Does that never end?
That's still going. Damn,
That went like for like a minute straight. Welcome to the after party, guys.
What? Oh, alright.
Is that one of those shake things?
Shake up in here when you want to?
Yeah. Unless you want to do it, then you can.
There's a bunch of these shit.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah, you gotta aim in the street.
That did not go far.
Saturn missiles.
You gotta shake it too. Shake it. Don't let it go, just shake it.
Shake it.
Keep on shaking.
Square ones. Where the fuck is it?
You know, be careful, wave it back and forth though. Shake it.
Did I burn the house down, J-Dog?
There you go.
Oh, watch the wire. Yeah, where the fuck is the fuse for this? J-Dog, you got it there.
Dog, he's a little ass kid, bro. He don't know what the hell he's doing.
You shooting at houses and wires, bro.
He's not trying to.
Whoa, yeah, burned a little bit.
We're not playing, man. There it goes. Where's Mom at?
Whoa.
Don't aim at the wire, man.
Whoa.
Fireworks right here. Yeah.
Oh, word, you about to light those? Yo, we still got those crackers, right? The snappers that we saw earlier. That you found. Yeah, where did they go? Where'd they go? Oh, wait. Damn. They disappeared, guys. Oh, that's empty. They went Dunzo. What are these? I don't know. Can't read it. Where the fuck they go though? Oh, that's just new one. Damn, he wasn't lying that we had more of those. Yeah.
Here. Here, J-Dog. Walk the street and hand it up in the air.
Is it done? Yeah. There's only 4 shots?
Four or five, sometimes 5.
Yo, it says 5 balls. It's supposed to have 5 shots. I know, exactly. It's done.
Sometimes the 5th one's a dud, I guess.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm a Harry Potter nerd. Don't judge.
J-Dog, aim straight up. Shake mad fast.
Shake
Don't
fast.
like that. There you go.
You hit the wire that looked like, bro.
Look out for the car.
Look out for the car.
J-Dog, stop aiming down, buddy. Stop aiming down, J-Dog. Aiming down, dog.
It's alright. It's alright. You guys ready? Okay. Watch that one, J-Dog.
Colin shot 3 that time.
Right? I'm just hitting stick. This is stick. Yeah, I got 5 down
Hey guys, welcome to the Monkey Man. Wait, actually, I'm gonna see if I can jump almost, like climb almost up to the wire.
You guys want one?
What?
Oh yeah, might as well. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
We definitely could have used that.
Sit up.
Yeah, here.
Here.
Yo, we gotta take
Yeah, shoot over.
Aim it up. First person Harry Potter bros. Most of them seem like the 5th one's a dud. Come on, J-Dog.
This is a boo-boo.
It is some boo-boo. Get out of here. I want high up. Go, Jaden, catch. That's it.
Oh yeah. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
I ain't going near that. Those were cool. Yo, film me real fast. I'm gonna see how high I can go.
I'm embarrassing you.
I'm a monkey man. Or I try to be anyway. Oh, I'm bad.
Yo, chick, girl, watch
You're
out.
the-
Somebody.
Okay.
He's the fucking house.
Okay.
I'm bad at climbing, boys. I'm bad. I'm bad at climbing. Don't judge me. I used to be good. I used to jump over tall fences.
Yeah, I bet.
No, I really did. That was back in like 6th grade, bro. That was 4 years ago. 4 years ago, bro. And I stopped because my friend never wants to hang out with me anymore. You okay there? It looked like you tripped almost. Yeah. Don't fall, bro. If you're lucky, maybe 3 bars down from the wire. So, like the 4th one up.
I'm gonna try to go to that
1, 2, 3, 4, maybe.
This is hard. I'm gonna try to go.
I mean, you say you're a climber. Prove it. Prove it to my YouTube fans, bro. Prove that you are the next Nathan Drake, bro. Can't do it? You have failed. You will never be Nathan Drake.
I'll do it. I just can't.
Maybe in 2 years, bro.
I can do it right now.
2 years. Hey, dude, you know what? They're coming out with an Assassin's Creed movie.
Yeah, I know.
I haven't seen the trailer yet, but
Say in December.
We gotta lock it when you're done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's not over.
it's never over.
It's not even over.
Not over on the it's never over. BMAX Stadium lost for sure. Everyone around us lost.
It's over. It's over.
It's over for them.
What was that? Yo, Christian, what was that?
Watch it.
It's over. It's over for everyone else, but not for us. Oh, it's that. That looks pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
To mushroom cloud. Well, almost a mushroom cloud. And then we got another one, boys. And another one. And another one. And 3 more. And 2 more. And another one.
I didn't know that we had more.
Yo, those are bomb, bro. $1 a piece?
For a bean, too.
Imagine having at least a fucking 100.
And another one.
Wait,
Yo,
Nathan Drake, action one. Action in real life. The kid in Nathan Drake, real life.
Prove that this is an after party. Prove to my 23 fans plus plus 16, no, plus 18 on my gaming channel. Prove to me that you are worthy to be Nathan Drake, or maybe even the son.
You know, I played on Uncharted 4.
That's a big one.
I see the end.
I had a
So don't tell me, bro.
I'm not.
I've been watching Uncharted 4 videos on YouTube. I've been watching PewDiePie.
PewDiePie? PewDiePie?
PewDiePie. He says PewDiePie sometimes. Or Pewds. Or Felix.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna try to do. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try to go right there, and I'm gonna try to turn around. And do this. And I'm gonna try to hang on. Alright? My hands are hurting. Alright.
Well,
Did you
duh.
see my hands?
My hands were hurting a little bit. Can't see shit. And a million! And another one. And another one. And another one. And as DJ Collar would say, another one. And Mr. Felixify would say, another one, boy. That's actually a good one.
Yo, did it.
I know, I saw it, bro.
That's way worth the money.
Well, it's too dark on camera. Because, I know. I wish, that's why this needs to have a flashlight that I could shine while
Yeah,
recording videos at dark. Because, you know, flashlight would be awesome.
That just took me forever. It's alright.
Oh, sorry. Well, sorry. Didn't see you there. I have a girlfriend, stop trying to flirt. I would be laughing if she actually was trying to flirt with me.
Who?
One of those girls. I'd be like, stop flirting with me, I have a girlfriend. She lives on the south side.
Wait, one of them's 14 and one of them's actually 15. Holy crap. They seem to have me over. Where'd my mom go?
Your mom disappeared. I kidnapped her. I'm kidding. I didn't kidnap her. I don't have a reason to. I respect your mother. I respect your. Wait, is that her right there? No, it's not. Never mind.
You gotta tie
It
two
farted.
firecrackers together.
It farted, guys.
Yeah. My mom didn't have me before. I think she couldn't let you find it. She's like, okay.
She might let me spend the night.
She's like,
Alright. In Alabama, check to see if my mom responded.
You want her?
No, I don't. Yeah. I got it.
You can watch the show.
Jaden, I'm not a guest here. I can get my own shit. Oh, there they went. Found them. We solved the missing case of your mom.
Done, right?
Done. My phone is done at this time.
That's
Well, anyways, guys, the fireworks are kind of burning out.
Those two.
It's kind of getting boring now. So, I'm going to end this fireworks show right now, right here. I hope you guys enjoyed part 3, the finale. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.